Let's kick things off here with the casual new age investing category, starting off with our overall top pick here for the best brokerage account. But first, I do have to mention that I am not a financial advisor, and this isn't any kind of personalized financial advice. Coming in at number 1 on our list here is Robinhood. Robinhood is most known for beginning the practice of commission-free stock trading, which was a revolutionary change, as other platforms used to charge $7 to $10 per trade. This has led to Robinhood now having a massive user base of over 25 million funded customer accounts. But aside from commission-free stock trading, which is pretty much offered everywhere now, what other features does Robinhood offer? For starters, Robinhood has pioneered the 24-hour market feature, which means users can buy and sell many stocks, options, and ETFs virtually around the clock. This 24-hour market through Robinhood is available from 8 p.m. Eastern Time Sunday to 8 p.m. Eastern Time Friday, and between these time frames, Robinhood users can trade whenever they want to. This is a huge difference from the normal hours of the stock market, which are from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. But do keep in mind here that extended trading hours is definitely not recommended for everyone, especially for beginners, and that's because the market is typically more volatile with less participants at these times. Moving on here, Robinhood has also branched out into cryptocurrency investing, and they now support over 20 different tokens, and they're frequently adding new ones to the platform. And get this, they don't charge a direct fee for buying or selling crypto. If you look at how much cryptocurrency you receive when purchasing something like Bitcoin on Robinhood compared to other platforms, you can see that you're oftentimes going to get the best bang for your buck going through Robinhood because of the fact that they don't charge this direct fee, and you are also able to send and receive your cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, for example, so this makes Robinhood a popular crypto investing app now too. Robinhood is generally viewed as the most beginner-friendly investing app out there, but this should not be viewed as a limitation. For those who are more interested in active trading as opposed to long-term investing, this can be done right through the free-to-use Robinhood Legend platform. Robinhood Legend is specifically designed for active stock trading, and it allows users to customize layouts, view multiple charts at once, and even analyze assets with detailed metrics. I have a full Robinhood tutorial as well as Robinhood Legend tutorial. I'll put links for those down in the description below. Robinhood offers a lot of other features too, including an unheard of IRA match on their retirement accounts. The biggest thing I've noticed about Robinhood over the last decade is that they do not stop revolutionizing the industry, as they have continued to release new and innovative financial products. And as far as the sign-up bonus goes, you can get a free fractional share worth up to $200 when you open a new account using my affiliate link, ryanoscribner.com/Robinhood. In addition, guys, I'm also going to link up all of my brokerage account tutorials and the sign-up bonus offers down in the description below. Next up on our list, we have Public. Now, Public is a brokerage account that offers commission-free stock, ETF, and options trading, just like Robinhood, but there are some noteworthy differences between them. In my opinion, the key feature that Public offers that separates them from others now is their new Alpha AI research tool. This tool is powered by GPT-4, and it offers real-time insights and analysis on stocks, ETFs, crypto, and other assets. It's free to use as long as you have a Public account, which doesn't cost anything either for the free version of it, and it simplifies the investment research process by offering accessible AI-driven insights. Another key feature here is that Public also offers a social feed where you can see what other investors are buying and share your own thoughts on the market moves. For options traders, Public offers a unique options order flow rebate program, allowing traders to earn between 6 and 18 cents per stock or ETF options contract traded. This rebate amount depends on your current and previous month's trading volume, but it's awesome that they offer this because you're not seeing this from other brokerage accounts out there. Another key difference about Public is that they do not engage in the practice of PFOF, or payment for order flow. This means that Public does not receive compensation from market makers in exchange for routing client trade orders to them. Meanwhile, Robinhood and others do receive compensation for this. Public opts for this more transparent market model where you can actually tip them if you want to support these free and open markets without potential conflicts associated with traditional brokerage compensation models. In addition, another key noteworthy feature is that Public offers a high-yield cash account that allows you to earn a competitive rate of interest on your uninvested cash. Now, yes, you can earn a high yield through Robinhood and others, but in some cases, these are premium services that require Robinhood Gold, which is $5 a month right now. Public also offers bond investment accounts where you can make direct bond investments, which is something that most other investing apps do not offer. And just to be clear, we are talking about direct investments into bonds themselves. We're not talking about an indirect investment like buying into a bond ETF, for example. These bond accounts allow users to potentially purchase a diversified portfolio of corporate bonds, for example, offering a fixed yield of up to 7% as of May 2025, but keep in mind this is subject to change. To round out the category here of casual new age investing, we have M1 Finance. This fintech platform offers a variety of investment account types to suit different financial goals. For example, users can open individual and joint brokerage accounts, traditional Roth and SEP IRAs, trust accounts, custodial accounts, and crypto accounts with M1. This platform utilizes a unique pie-based portfolio system, allowing investors to visualize and manage their portfolios in a way that just isn't possible through most other apps. M1 Finance also offers dozens of model portfolios too that they do not directly charge for investing into. M1 Finance is particularly well suited for long-term self-directed investors seeking a blend of automation and control, but there are some monthly fees that may apply. If your assets with M1 Finance are less than $10,000, you will be charged a $3 monthly platform fee. So this can be a deterrent for small accounts, but you won't really have to worry about this if you've been investing for a while. And keep in mind, you can transfer your brokerage account too, which can help with hitting that $10,000 limit. In addition, M1 Finance also offers a high-yield cash account that allows you to earn a competitive APY on your uninvested cash. And get this, these accounts are FDIC insured for up to $4.75 million, and it's where I personally park my nest egg. One final important detail here with M1 is the trading windows. Instead of placing trades throughout the day, M1 Finance offers 2 trading windows per day, a morning and an afternoon one. All trades are going to be placed at these times, so if you want to be able to trade in and out of stocks and other assets at a moment's notice, then simply put, this is just not the platform for you. If you're interested in opening an M1 account or checking the updated high-yield savings account rate, be sure to use my affiliate link, ryanoscribner.com/M1.